Hi everybody, I'm Dr. 𝑻𝒉𝒆 𝑾𝒆𝒃𝒔𝒕𝒆𝒓 with Restore Family Chiropractic. Today I want to talk to you about a very specific technique that I utilize called the Webster technique. You may have heard of it before or were even referred to us by somebody who knows something about it as a way to help with baby if they're not in the best position. But what the Webster technique is, it's a very specific specialized technique to work on balancing your pelvis, your spine, and all the surrounding supporting muscles and ligaments. So if we take a look at what your spine and your pelvis look like, so the baby sits right here within the pelvis, and the uterus that is anchored to the pelvic area through ligaments and muscles. If the spine or your pelvis gets shifted and twisted out of alignment, what that does is that pulls and puts uneven pressure and tension throughout a lot of the nerves as well as the muscles and some of those ligaments that are actually helping to anchor the uterus. When that happens, that can actually pull and distort the uterus itself, which can affect the space available for the baby to be able to get in the most optimal, ideal head down position. What that also does for you though is that could put a lot of stress on the nerves and can lead to things like sciatic pain or pubic bone pain or even round ligament pain. The Webster technique is a very specific technique then that works on adjusting and balancing the sacrum, the pelvis, the spinal bones themselves, and any of the supporting ligaments and muscles around the area, the pelvic area. By adjusting it and restoring the normal balance, that opens up the space so then the baby has the best optimal room to get into the best head down position if that's what it needs to do. We find that when women have the adjustments during pregnancy through the Webster technique, they find that they feel more comfort during pregnancy, things move easier, they have better alignment, better balance, they feel more comfortable and can sleep better at night often as well. It can actually even help with the labor and delivery process, because if the baby can engage properly, evenly, then that can actually cause to a much smoother and faster labor and delivery as well for you. So if you do have any specific questions about that, please feel free to reach out. We look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.